Okay, let's click in cell E4 and then go to the insert menu and select picture, and then from file, and then we want to browse to our XLXP core folder and double click on lara.gif, or it may just read Lara depending how your computer's set up. And now we want to bring up the picture toolbar, so we need to right click on another toolbar and select picture, and there's our picture toolbar. And now click the format picture button, and on the properties tab let's select don't move or size with cells under object positioning, and then click the OK button, and we can resize the picture to fit in the row. And once we've done that, let's select cells A5 to D8. Let's move the picture toolbar out of the way first and select A5 to D8 and go to the data menu and select group and outline and group and OK. Now click the minus sign to the left of row 9 and then click on the Sheet 2 tab, and now let's go to the data menu again and group and outline and select auto outline, and then go to the tools menu, options, and on the view tab clear the outline symbols checkbox and click OK. Now let's put it back by once again going to the tools menu and options, and on the view tab let's select outline symbols checkbox and OK. Now click the 1 immediately under the name box, and then the 2, and then the 3, and now let's go to the data menu again, group and outline, and select clear outline, and then we would go back to the My Sheet tab and data menu, group and outline, and ungroup and OK. And now let's define those rows again. Let's go format row unhide, and let's save that.